Hey, just received my iPhone 17 Pro. So let's go ahead and unbox it. There you go. In case you're wondering, this is my trade-in kit. That said, let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's peel it here. Okay, and there you go. Let's take this out and put it on the side for a sec. And probably we only have this cable inside. And it's really a nice cable though. It's a braided USB-C to C. What else we got? Probably something. Okay, let's switch back and come to the main phone here. The side, power button, 3 cameras, flash, and some sensor. On left hand side, again 3 button. Okay, this is camera button, silent, volume rockers. So let's go ahead and take this. Look at that, how dark, black and dark it is. Also, I did buy a cover for this already. Yeah, let me go ahead and put it in the cover first. Okay, let me give it a try. Okay, that slides in pretty nicely. And let's put the back cover. Hopefully do nicely like that. Okay, yeah, it's a decent fit. I like that it's transparent, and also I could also say like yellow theme, so I could really see the color. Let's go ahead and take this off now and fire this baby up. There you go. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video unboxing video. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up later now. Take care.